I'm gonna get ready to pull my food truck here out of storage. I was lucky to get a storage that is covered. I think it was the last one that they had, so I was fortunate enough to get this one. So I keep my food truck in a covered storage. So I'm gonna pull it out and show you the customized screens I had to get because the guy that built my food truck got windows that didn't have screens, and you got to have some screens. So here's my truck. I pulled it here out of storage. And I'm gonna just show you what it looks like now without the screens. So if somebody orders something or I need to let air in, I have to open it up, but there's no screens to keep the flies and bugs out. So I have to keep it closed or leave a small gap in it. So you got to have a gap in it to keep circulation when the venter hood is on, or you'll put too much strain on the motor on the venter hood. So these are the customized screens I got made. It's a guy down the road from my house, about 10 miles. So I just gave him the measurements on what I needed, and he made them. It takes him about 2-3 hours. Well, it took him about 30 minutes to make these. So I'm gonna go into my truck and just show you what I'm gonna do. This is the screen here. So what I'm gonna do, open the window and put this in the slot. You notice it has springs on it, so I just lift it up and it pops into place. So now I can slide it back and forth. As you can see, I can slide it, and I can also take them out if I need to. So I got 2 of them made, one for the order side and one for the pickup side. So you just lift up and pull it right out if you don't want them in there. You see the springs? That's the pressure springs. This is just a good fix for right now. I might have come up with something else later, but as far as right now, this is the best I could come up with. If anybody think of a better idea, let me know. So I'm gonna zoom in and let you just see what they look like. Just slide it back and forth. And I got the other one in also. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.